were right, just fueled up. Gosh, gas prices are so freaking expensive right now. I think I paid $58 to fill up this tank. I was down to low status. I got a lot of questions. Armin, what's wrong with the noise and the tires and the wheels that I talked about before? Number 2, how's the exhaust? And number 3, figured I'd give you guys a 70,000 mile update. I'm not at 70,000 miles yet. I'm more like 68,000 miles, but rounding up. Questions about my exhaust. Some people were asking, hey, is the rattle gone? The rattle is gone. A while back, if you guys remember a video I posted a while back about this rattle noise coming from my exhaust, I identified it. It was just a loose flange clamp, or whatever you call it, a loose clamp. So I tightened it down, drove the car, tightened it down again, and the sound has been gone for a while, ever since I did that. Gosh, it's been a few weeks now. The next question, Armin, what is the deal with the wheel? The noise that I was getting, that I reported, that I talked about a couple of weeks back or so. What I did is I took my spare wheel and tire out, I swapped them in for the fronts, and I noticed the sound was less when I put it on one side and the other side. It's got 35,000 miles on them. They are rated to about 50. These are the Continental DWS 06 all-season tires for all 4. The fronts have the most miles at 35,000. My rear are like half that because I had to replace them under the road hazard protection plan because of a couple of nails on both. Now the tread on them looks really good still. So I don't know if it's just, you know, I don't know if there's something going on with the tread or the shape of the tire. My car slightly pulls left, but that's been doing that. So maybe that's coinciding with the noise. I really don't know. There's no metal or grinding sound that people told me to be on the lookout for in case it's the bearings. When I turn the car left and right, I don't hear a change in the sound at all. And I'll be honest, I'm really nitpicking about this sound. It's just a quiet womp, 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 womp at low speeds. And it's sort of, you can still kind of hear it at a higher rate when I'm driving at highway speeds, but it's almost gone at highway speeds. So it's actually quiet. I just, you know how we are about our cars. Every little noise, it sounds louder than it probably is to a normal person. But it's there. I do hear it when I slow down to a light. For now, I'm gonna deduce it down to just road noise from the tires being old up front. But I do plan on getting it looked at when the next time I bring it into a dealer for an alignment, and I'll keep you guys posted if anything else is discovered by the technicians. Other than that, I feel comfortable right now, but I know I need to really pay attention. I know I should. And lastly, the 70,000 mile update. We're about 68,000 and change. So how's the car doing? Car is doing great. I still get that weird rattling noise somewhere when it's cold up front. It's really noisy when it's cold, but then it goes away after like driving a minute, if that. I don't know what that sound is. It doesn't concern me because it's not ongoing throughout the day. It literally is just after a cold start or leaving it parked overnight and then starting the car and then driving off. That's when I hear it. When I drive off, I hear it a lot more then it's gone. You know, I did the transmission fluid change at the 45,000 mark. So I'm technically not due, but interval wise. So far, so good as far as that's concerned. Don't know if you can hear it. Probably not, but there's a squeaking sound that has been in the back seat intermittently. It's not all the time. It almost sounds like there's a mouse back there, but it's not. I know there's no mice back there. It's just like something metal is squeaking. Maybe it's a hook or the bench seat. I don't know. It's been annoying me since I bought the car, and I never addressed it because it's intermittent. It doesn't always happen. It doesn't bother me, and I'm just listening to the car exhaust or the radio or something that I don't even pay attention to it unless the car is you know, very quiet and I'm just cruising along and I'm nitpicking again for any noise I hear. But noises are noises. They can be telltale signs for all kinds of stuff. But I'm not worried about that. It's not mechanical. It doesn't affect the car performance. It's just a comfort thing maybe. So whatever. Other reliability issues, zero. I don't know what else. Nothing comes to mind. So happy to report 70,000 miles, no big deal. You know, people tell me the LS motors are built really well, designed to last really well. If you take care of it, it'll take care of you. I actually believe that about any car for the most part, but the LS engines have a reputation for upholding that. Anyway, that's the quick update. More videos to come. We got an SS meet coming up at the Bowie Town Center. I'll post a link below in the video description. Don't forget to click on that. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So drive safe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.